Question 21. Well, I think it's very handy with these if you can just in your own mind decide what shape the graph is going to be even before you start the question. Now this function here includes some x squared, so our graph is going to be a smiley face graph. It is not going to be a straight line, which it would have been if we just had y's and x's and numbers. This x squared bit makes all the difference. So we need to complete the rest of the table. So why don't we just start off with when x is 1. So when x is 1, let's substitute 1 into this graph and see what y value you get. So we're going to take 1 and square it, then we're going to take away 4 lots of 1 and add 2. So 1 squared, take away 4 lots of 1 and add 2 is 1, take away 4, add 2, which is minus 1. Now what you'll notice now is we're starting to get some symmetry, which we expect for a smiley face graph. So imagine a pebble dropping into the stream here at the minus 2 and then the ripples starting to come out. That minus 1 is the same value as that minus 1, and then following on the ripple effect, that 2 must be the same as that value here for 4, which is also 2. So I've done no working out for that. I can just see that must just be 2 from symmetry, and at this point I don't know what these two values are, but I do know they're going to be the same. So I'm going to choose to work out this value over here when x is 5. So 5 squared minus 4 lots of 5 add 2, which is 25 minus 20 add 2, which is 7. And can you see, so just by symmetry this must also be 7, but I'll prove that to you. Minus 1 squared is plus 1. Minus 4 times minus 1 is plus 4. So we've got 1 plus 4 plus 2, which is also 7, like I knew it would be. I can then just go and plot these points. So I plotted minus 1, 7 here, 0, 2 here, 1 minus 1, and so on. And I'm going to get a nice, smooth, U-shaped graph. Apologies that my graph looks a bit pointy and a bit jagged, but it's very hard for me to do a straight line on this software I've got at home.